Phillie the Desert. Now, he was the go-to fiddler of the 1890s. That's the A.W. Moore separately. And the Gills went to visit him to get some music from him. And he was a larger-than-life character, and he was the most famous of them all. Here's a quote from W.H. Gill about what it was like when they went to visit him. "We were sitting in the cart shed, and a horse cloth spread over heaps of dried bracken afforded a homely couch in perfect keeping with the rustic surroundings." Later, Phillie was described by James Cowell, who came from the area. "A lot of people looked upon Phillie as an oddity. In some respects he might have been, but I thought differently. He was to me both witty, humorous and wise. All he needed was a little education and an outlet for his genius. He could play the fiddle, sing, dance and drink beer to further orders." Now, the same man goes on to say that he got the name the Desert because he was living in the place, East Baldwin, which had that name, which presumably was somewhere not easy to cultivate. And the cottage where he lived was a very low one, with only a cockloft reached by a small ladder from a bedroom up against the thatched roof. The cable came close to the road, and only a pigsty was between it. And anyone standing on the sty could reach the chimney. And one night, some youngsters put a live hen down the chimney. "They hadn't a clean house at any time, and it wouldn't be improved by that," she said. Well, here's one of the many tunes collected from Phillie the Desert, but this one goes by the name of Ball and Bairn. It's the doo-doo-doo.